Today's lesson, lesson 23 in math, is dividing 3 and 4-digit numbers by a 2-digit number. And our answer will result in either a 2-digit or 3-digit quotient. And we must, depending on what the problem's asking for, our remainder needs to be looked at as well. I'm going to do number 2, which is a word problem from their homework. A political gathering in South America was attended by 7,910 people. Each of South America's 14 countries were equally represented. How many representatives attended from each country? Well, I hear the word each, so I think of division. When I think of division, I think of dad, mom, sister, brother, or divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So my first step is to see how many times 14 goes into 79. 14 goes into 79 5 times, because 14 times 5 is 70. After I multiply, I subtract, and I get 9. After I subtract, I bring down the 1. Now my next step after I bring down is to divide again. How many times does 14 go into 91? 14 goes into 91 6 times, because 6 times 14 is 84. After I multiply, I subtract, and I get 7. I bring down the 0. And now I must divide again. 14 goes into 70. We already know 5 times. Multiply after you divide. 14 times 5 is 70. Subtract after you multiply, and you get 0 as a remainder. There are no more numbers to bring down, so my answer is 565 people per country. For tonight's lesson, because the division is a long division with large numbers, I told the class that they do not have to check using multiplication, as it says so in the directions, unless they want to double check their answer or make them more secure, feel more secure about their answer. But this is number 2 from their homework.